What's up friends, welcome to Video Workshop YouTube channel. Guys, do you want to capture 4K quality footage or photograph while tour? Do you want to watch dash cam footage on your phone? Then watch this video. In this video I am going to do complete setup and review of APEMAN 4K Dash Cam. This is APEMAN C770 Dash Cam. This dash cam is latest nowadays. It has built-in GPS and built-in Wi-Fi. It provides 170-degree wide angle and it has Sony sensor. Front camera has maximum 4K and rear camera has maximum 1080p resolution. Let's do unboxing. I will put dash cam on side first. Box comes with user manual which has complete setup instructions. This is rear camera which has enough long cable for installation. Charging cable and all other necessary accessories provided with the box. Let's check out the dash cam. Its size is very small. It looks like your EasyPass device. Front camera has maximum 4K resolution and it is movable easily. You can adjust as per your need. This is SD card slot. It supports up to 128 GB. Memory card is not provided with box. You have to buy it separately. It is better if you charge the camera before installation. This is the power on switch. Let's check the settings real quick. There are different options for resolution, loop recording, mirror image, GMT, time zone, speed limit. You can check your location via GPS info. Headlight option remind you to turn on the headlight at night. It is better to keep parking mode option on. There are different sensor mode as well. Watermark options gives you the location and the speed information on the display. Format the SD card before you use this dash cam. Now download Lucky Cam app on your phone to connect dash cam Wi-Fi. Press power button once to turn on the Wi-Fi. Then go to the Wi-Fi setting on your phone and select the APEMAN Wi-Fi. Password is provided on the dash cam. Go to Lucky Cam app, it will log in now. Let's take out the tab and mount the dash cam on the front glass. Then connect the power cable. Now let me install the rear camera. Cable is long enough and very easy to hide. My dash cam is ready now. Let me show you the footage which I have taken. Best thing I like is that it's OLED touchscreen display which has faster response time. This dash cam is best for parking monitoring and emergency recording. You can also watch and download footage from Lucky Cam app through Wi-Fi. You can update the setting as well from the app. This dash cam has complete functions such as loop recording, motion detection, parking monitoring, time lapse, WDR, snapshot, etc. I like the resolution of both day and night time. I highly recommend this best quality dash cam. I trust APEMAN brand. If you interested, I have provided Amazon link on video description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.